Hey, what's up? This is Kevin Thrasher from Escape the Fate. So we're gonna get started with the Show For Me Music Interaction Network. So I'm gonna go click on Get Started. Then we'll enter an valid email address. So there we go. And then we'll join as a professional. Now we're going to personalize the profile. So we'll upload a new photo. Perfect. Save. So now I'm just going to personalize my page a little bit more. We'll add a description about myself. So we have this, and we just click on Edit on the top right screen. Cool. So about myself. I am Kevin Thrasher from the rock band Escape the Fate. Put in the location. We'll do a quick save. So let's continue here. So we're going to create the artist club. So we're at the artist club. We'll choose club type. So we're a band. So I'm going to click band. And I'll enter the band name right here. Escape the Fate. So click create. Well, cool. This is the artist club page right here. So let's first upload a new photo. Okay, we have the profile picture. And we'll add a short description. Cool, so we have Escape the Fate is a hard rock band from Las Vegas, Nevada. And then we'll add our biography. And then we can add the different band members. We have Kevin Thrasher. We'll add role in the band, guitar. And you can add each band member under this page as well. Record label, we have 11/7 Music, which is right here, which pops up very conveniently. And finally, we'll add the website. We'll save this page. Cool, so we're gonna add the banner up top. We'll upload a new cover. This looks great. It has our tour dates, our album out so everyone can see it. And then next, we'll just go to the top right corner and hit publish.
You can find more information about artist clubs at Show For Me Help Center.